Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make viral mango mousse. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 large ripe mangoes, 1½ cups of heavy cream, and 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. Ensure everything is at room temperature for best results. Prepare your mixing bowls and a whisk, as we'll be moving quickly through the steps to achieve that perfect, airy texture. Let's get started. Now let's create that vibrant mango puree. Carefully peel and dice 2 large, ripe mangoes, ensuring you get all the sweet flesh. Place the diced mango into a blender and process until it's completely smooth with no chunks remaining. For an extra silky mousse, push the puree through a fine mesh sieve. This step removes any fibers, guaranteeing a luxurious texture. Next, we'll prepare the creamy base. In a separate bowl, whip 1½ cups of cold, heavy cream until soft peaks form. Be careful not to overwhip it. Gently fold the smooth mango puree into the whipped cream using a spatula, preserving the airy texture. Finally, slowly incorporate your dissolved gelatin into the mixture, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout. Almost there. Carefully spoon or pipe the mango mousse into individual serving glasses or a large dessert bowl. Once filled, place your mousse in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set completely. Before serving, you can garnish your beautiful mousse with a few fresh mango cubes or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.